Hi Wildcats, welcome to the 2021-22 school year. I'm Mrs. Leonard and I'm your 7th grade school counselor. Your 6th grade counselor this year will be Mrs. Fody and the 8th grade counselor will be Mrs. Irving. We're here just to remind you of a few things that are important to keep in mind this year. Bullying is not accepted at Waitman or in Pasco County. It's a bully-free environment here. Bullying means planned and repeated actions that physically or emotionally hurt one or more students. This could include things such as teasing and taunting, name-calling, ignoring others, gossiping and spreading rumors, threatening or fighting, humiliating someone in public, taking and destroying someone's belongings, and cyberbullying. Now keep in mind that bullying that happens outside of school can still result in discipline on campus if it creates a disruption in the school environment. So if you see bullying going on or are a victim of bullying, please make sure you report it to an adult at school. The school will investigate, speak with students, and inform parents and families. We'll document to track for patterns of behavior and implement appropriate interventions. We establish behavioral agreements between students, and if the behaviors continue, parents will be contacted and it could result in suspension.
There are lots of people on campus that are there if you need any type of assistance. You can always go to your teachers. You can always come to your school counselors. Ms. Diaz and Ms. Carter are our discipline assistants. We have 4 administrators available to you, Mrs. Fowler, Mrs. Ware, Mrs. Johnson, and Mrs. Myra. And of course, you can always go to Corporal Burge or our clinic. If you would like to talk to one of your school counselors, you must fill out the counseling request form on the back office computer. If you have an emergency, please let somebody know that someone is in danger. If not, fill out the counseling request form and we will call you up to meet with you as soon as we're available.
Hi Wildcats. So what do you need to know in order to be successful and reach your full potential this school year? You need to make sure that you are doing all your homework, not only doing it, but also turning it in. Please make time to set aside an hour or so for your assignments and studying every day. Participate in class, ask questions, complete the coursework. Really important is monitoring your My Student daily to make sure that you are staying up on your assignments, know when tests are coming up so you can prepare yourself. One of the key things that we see most often that students miss out on is turning in their assignments, which can hurt their grade. Most of your grades, just by doing your homework and turning it in, is going to benefit your grade and help pass you for a class. It's very important. Also, have pride in your work and yourself. The state passed a law that affects all middle school students. In order to be promoted at the end of 8th grade, you must have passed all core classes for language arts, math, science, and social studies, including civics. If you fail a class at the semester, we will look at your schedule to see which elective we will have to pull and then place you in course recovery in order to make up that credit. Again, at the end of 8th grade, you must have passed all core classes for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Otherwise, you will be retained at that point. Wildcats, imagine all the possibilities.